not the right bit. Okay? I thought this was an 8mm. This is an E-Tech. But no, so, alright, I don't know if y'all seen whatever last time. If you didn't got the information. These two day timers are not on. And the only thing I can think of, yeah, that thing. Because it leads to Tudum. And then there's also one that leads to Tudum. So, what we're going to do today is figure out the problem. Because it's supposed to be plug and play. Oh my fucking god, I didn't grab the bit. Damn, Dylan, back at it again with the right bit. 8mm. Yo, don't fucking drop these little ass bolts in the fucking well.
I can't see shit.
Yeah, there's a black hole down here. And I almost got bit when I fucking stuck my hand down there. So what you do is take it out with your pinky out. Ah, the sun! My fucking eyeball.
I'm here.
Alright, and the cool thing about these is it's literally just that. Oh yeah. Check this out, guys.
And?
Yeah, this board looks like shit. So luckily I have that. Old light. Oh my goodness.
What happened?
Shit's fucked up. Where the fuck are all my trapos, bro? Where's like all my trapos?
Maybe in washing? So what happened?
This one's clearly popped. Look at the difference of these, right? Like, this looks like a lot of corrosion and shit like that, right?
Right.
Okay, Jesus Christ.
Oh my gosh. I didn't know I was part of a PBS show.
Yes, fuck, man. So what we're gonna do is this.
Yes, kids. Alright, so you're gonna take that out, put in the other one, and put the old one into the new one?
Yeah, well, yeah, exactly. And this, in theory, should work.
But then, is this in the new one? Yeah. Oh,
So
no,
this is
was
the
one you had in the...
No, this one was my light.
No,
This
yeah,
is the old
one.
light. Oh, sorry, this is the one I bought off eBay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah, I know. What the heck? That's crazy. You should complain.
Alright, so pretty much just be very careful with this shit. right. Never put your finger grease on the fucking shit.
You wear gloves.
Yeah, I should wear gloves. But I was touching the side of the board.
Yeah, but getting awfully close there.
Oh my gosh.
What?
No, nothing. You're just a beautiful person, and I love you so much, and I would never say anything bad about you. Today was very successful.
Close gloves on. This could be a horror.
Are you ready?
Where it from? Want that Blink 182? I should have.
All right, so the brown and black
On
go to
the
this side.
right. Yeah.
On the left.
Well, it depends which way you're looking at.
Yeah, brown and black.
If you want, we can review the video.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is that the old one? I mean, the eBay one?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Motherfuckers really just not be taking care of their shit.
Seriously.
Like, where the fuck did you have this?
Yeah,
outside?
how the hell? That's crazy. Definitely outside. Outside in the rain. I mean, look at that shit.
I think that's why she wasn't working.
Did you take a picture or video before you put it?
What? Yes, baby, it goes like this.
What? I'm not. That's not what I mean, that's not what I meant.
Using carb cleaner because I don't give a fuck, dude. Oh,
I feel like you should go for this.
Well, yeah, carb cleaner is safer than brake cleaner.
Okay.
It is.
What's... Oh, I don't know what the difference is, so whatever you say goes, I guess. I just know one smells like acetone. That one.
You said one smells like my ass. Oh, no?
Yeah. That one. Brake clean.
Brake clean, stay clean. You know what I mean?
Brake clean.
Brake clean. I heard someone saying they brake clean. So you put your wires 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, this shit was crimped like a motherfucker. Hopefully that shit workies. Bro, it's like you ain't even had to go that ham to put these bitches in there, dog.
They did not give a shit.
Oh, no, I put it in backwards. Nah, just kidding. I'm gonna do a little tetry betry.
I thought that's gonna not make it right. Isn't it gonna twist it and stuff?
No.
No?
I mean, it is, but it's also gonna leave like a better...
I don't know.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna... Alright, let me just not fuck up.
Yeah, just do it the normal way.
Bro!
Don't experiment right now.
I love experiment.
I know you do.
Sometimes I I feel good. Experiment the
I
hood.
gotta be like your voice of reason sometimes.
You know what? Sometimes you need your girlfriend to be your voice of reason.
Of treason. Of treason.
I heard you was talking shit, man.
Ooh. It's got a butthole.
What the fuck?
What's that hole?
Jesus. If she wasn't fucking paying attention, she was not paying attention.
Really not paying attention.
Maybe that's why on the eBay post it said note. But the thing is, when it said
What do you
note,
mean note?
like there was in parentheses.
There was nothing in.
No, in asterisks or whatever, the little star things.
Uh-huh.
It said note, but I looked through the description and there was no fucking note in the description. So
like,
I'm like,
no asterisks or anything?
yeah, no, like no asterisks to say like, yo, the note is down here. Like, hey,
Yeah.
nigga, this shit does not work.
It's like, you might need to clean it a little bit.
Yeah. Like you might have to transfer the guts over.
You might have to.
So yeah, with that said,
Oh, I see.
no, that I'm hoping simply that when I go to code the light in now, it'll work. Cause look at the fucking board. I mean, we could. Honestly, I don't even know if there's any saving that. So yeah, also fact of the matter. That's gonna be in place. That's put in place. Put in place as well. Alright, so in my hypothesis theory.
Hypothesis. Okay, well, I can't
Yeah, my
see.
hypothesis theory.
Oh my god, look at this baby. Oh.
Alright, so the light install is like that fucking easy. I'm gonna beamer code this shit right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if I get that shit active. Oh wait, actually, I had it active, right? When I
Yeah.
finished? Okay.
Unless you changed it or reverted.
No, not because the other side is on.
But isn't it left and then right?
I can't find my keys.
Did you put them inside?
I thought I had, but they're not in there. Did you take them?
No. They're not in your pockets?
No. You sure you didn't put them in your bag?
Yes.
Imagine we get Sway Lee drifting with fucking T-Pain.
Yo. That'd be insane.
That would be fucking bonkers. Alright, in reality, you shouldn't be using fucking Shouldn't be using auto ratchet.
Babe.
I mean, I know not to fucking go full throttle.
Yeah,
like
what
damn.
like what you did with the.
With what?
With the last thing.
What was the last thing? What did I go full throttle with?
Oh my gosh.
You can't leave us on a cliffhanger.
You don't remember? The whole thing you had to freaking JB weld?
No, okay. I went full throttle when I put a O-ring where it wasn't supposed to go. But hey, is it leaking water? Fucking no, because I know how to fix shit. I'm not saying that's how you do it. But if I fuck up, I know how to fix the fuck up.
Yep.
I don't want to say it's frequent, but it has a high occurrence rate.
Ooh. I saw that. All right.
What them thingies doing?
You can't tell, but they're on. Oh my god. I was so zoomed in.
Shout out to Ticket Clinic if you see, because you would get pulled over. Yo, Ticket Clinic, sponsor your boy. I got so many tickets, y'all can help me out, you know what I'm saying? I'm kidding. Drive safely. But if you didn't do what I just did, and if you're ever having an issue, I'm uploading this for you guys because it's probably the board and no one has a fucking video on YouTube for this shit. I figured it out myself with the help of my girlfriend. If I would have driven with that still, I would have been pulled over. But since I did it, and now you can too, you don't need to call the Ticket Clinic. But if you can't figure it out and you do get a ticket, you call the Ticket Clinic. But yeah, let me do this shit before my car dies.
We got
Big man
Ticket
Blastoise,
Clinic,
big
GTA.
man Blastoise, big man Blastoise.
GTA 6. Peep the hat. Peep the hat.
Oh yeah, we saw Adam today, bro.
No.
That shit was fire. Wait, did you get a video or not?
I did.
Oh,
No, I couldn't.
yeah,
I didn't
you
have
couldn't,
any.
yeah.
Yeah, so I could only take photos.
Yeah, so fucking, honestly, I forgot to tell Adam too. So if you're watching this shit, bro, like, what's crazy is I was gonna start my YouTube video, or my YouTube videos when he was YouTubing. And I thought, like, yo, I don't wanna be a fucking YouTuber, I don't wanna be that guy. And then look at him now. You know what I mean? So, like, don't ever do shit, or don't ever doubt yourself because of how you look or how you're gonna come across. Like, bro, if you believe in yourself and you believe in and you want to do something, just go fucking do it, dude. I should have been uploading my mods on my Z fucking 10 years ago, and because look at him now, you know, like, shit's crazy. But full circle, fucking Joel living on his compound and shit. Shout out Drift HQ, shout out Film HQ. Joel, I love you, bro. Yeah, man. Soon this one series will be on the compound, hopefully. Until that day, though.